Happy New Year, guys. Oh my gosh. Listen, I am really excited that it's 2018. I feel it in my bones that this year is totally gonna be different from 2017. 2017 has been a rough year for me, but there's gonna be a lot of content, a lot of vlogging, and you know, if you're a fan, please subscribe, and I have a lot to show you guys. I'm really excited, guys. Alright, so please stick around, and this video is all about my trip to Paris, okay, to France. And I don't understand what's it called, French. I don't understand French, but I'm willing to learn, and that's the whole journey is going to be about, is learning new culture and just having fun. That's what life is about, is having fun. If you're not having fun doing what you love, then stop doing it and move to something else. I love traveling, and it is one of my best activities. Okay, I've been to a lot of places, but the one thing that I don't do often is vlog. So I've decided that this year I'm going to travel a lot, and I'm going to vlog and show you guys places that are interesting. Not places that a lot of people go to, of course, but it's going to be places that, you know, you guys might find interesting. Please stick around and let me show you guys how to have fun. Let's do this. Ow.
It is 7:30 a.m.
Hey guys, alright, so my flight is already about to leave. I'm in National Reagan in Washington, D.C., and we're heading out to Chicago as of now. And so I'm going to show you guys what's going on, and hopefully the flight gets to Chicago safely. Love it.
Very, very nice.
Yeah.
I mean, this is the kind of suits for the prince, you know.
Alright, let's walk in.
This is what you get in France when you come to see Tunde. Wow.
Come inside.
Wow. Wow. Really? You've got the vintage dinner table. 18th century.
Now this is the life. You know, right here in Paris, and this is how you just do it. Let me show you guys that real quick.
Here we go.
Okay.
Let's go to where the magic happens.
Alright, so definitely this is my room.
Woo!
That's right. Uh-oh.
You got a pink room. Who's that?
The man! I gotta show you guys. Look at him. Yo! Tunde! Look. He has so many nicknames. T-Boy, T-Fly, Fly T, you know, Sly Hay, A-Sly. So, alright, tomorrow is your day. How do you feel? Talk to me.
I don't know. I think I'm nervous.
You're nervous?
Yeah. I'm excited at the same time. And it's kind of mixed feelings, you know.
Yeah?
I guess it's a good feeling. You know, getting married to someone you know, someone you call your best friend after 4 years.
Wow.
I mean, yeah.
So like, alright. So I know it starts tomorrow morning and you're gonna be holding the woman of your dreams.
Yeah.
What do you feel like you're gonna say to her that is gonna make a difference from the things you've said, you know, prior to your relationship as, you know, boyfriend and girlfriend and then fiance and stuff? Now that you're gonna be a husband to her, what do you feel like you're gonna say that is gonna be different from the things you've said before?
Nothing is gonna change.
Okay.
Like Alicia Keys said, I think that's what I'm gonna say to her. Everything means nothing if I'm not gonna have a.
This guy's just too cute.
You know. I want to dance.
You wanna dance? Okay. I know he likes to get down. Go down.
There you go. Play me a song.
It's a day you're gonna have fun tomorrow. Hey, get down on your knees, baby. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, Pop, you gotta hold this because you know I gotta join him. Hey, you can sit down while you're doing it. You don't have to get up.
All right, that's okay.
Hey, it's your day tomorrow.